Okay, today we're going to replace the battery on a Volvo remote fob. There's a little black switch there. If you slide that switch over, the top section comes off, and then you've got another little switch here. Slide that, the back panel comes off. It's a little fiddly. Come on, there we go. And then you've got your little battery compartment there. You've got an open and close section, so you just twist that, remove that panel, and your battery is underneath there. It is a 2032 battery. I'm trying to do this as quickly as possible. There you go. There you go. It's a Panasonic in here, but it's a 2032 battery. And then you just reverse your steps to put it back together. That goes on. Your back panel goes on. Just that way around. It just clips on and slides up. And then this one does the same. That way around, all's right. Clips on down the bottom, slides up and clips in. And there we go.